Hi, RKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City. It never rains at BISH'S. It's actually really warm out here. It's not even cold. Today I'd like to introduce you to this brand new 2022 Thor Magnitude model number XG32. So this is a very rare type of model. It's a Super C, Super Class C, and it's a four-wheel drive. And I want to show you it's sitting on the Ford F550 chassis. Again, it's a four-wheel drive, and it's using a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. This has enormous towing capacity. It's only 32 feet long. It's beautiful, full body paint. Everything is fully automated. Lots of storage, lots of good space on the inside, and of course, you can kind of take this anywhere. Let's go have a look on the inside. So very good use of space. Again, this is a Class C or a Super C, as some people like to call it. So you have the cab over, you have a very large window here. If you have guests or kids, they would love that. Lots of natural light coming in. Of course, it's fully automated. So this can easily sleep two adults or lots of kids. You've got a real nice cabin down here, or a cockpit. Fully integrated, lots of technology, navigation. It has all the bells and whistles. This is a beautiful coach. So one of the options on this one is theater seats. So this has theater seats, cup holders, very nice, very soft, comfortable material. And then across you have an extra long dinette, which of course breaks down into a bed if you ever had to. And you have a nice integrated 40-inch flat screen TV. It's a fantastic viewing angle with the theater seat option here. This motorhome has lots of options. You got the solid surface countertops here. And I always like these toppers here, because when you're not using the sink, you've got more cooking or preparation work here. Very nice. Good storage here. A full-size microwave. Of course, this is brand new. So this acts as your convection oven as well. A 2-burner gas stove, plus an induction cooktop here. More storage underneath. This is a soft close system, so it's real nice. Of course, you have more cabinet, counter space, or storage space up here as well. As we move back, your control panel is actually here. So Thor has everything that you need to do regarding control panels, all integrated here. So you run your generator, you run your slides, you run everything off of this touch screen here. Have a look at the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom, nice sized shower, very light and bright, which is what you want. Full size residential refrigerator, freezer, lots of storage. You can boondock for weeks storing TV dinners in here. Of course, it's brand new, so it hasn't been set up yet. You can have store a lot of cold ones in there as well. As we move back to the bathroom, or excuse me, the bedroom, you also have more storage space here. You have one slide out here. And again, one of my personal favorites. I like the headboard. I like the windows on the side. This is a queen-size bed. Great platform to rest, to sit down, watch TV. You got a nice big 32-inch TV, which also provides extra storage inside here. Pretty convenient. You got a really large wardrobe here. Very deep, very large. You can hang lots of clothes, and more drawer space here. And some counter space here for whatever, your computer, your watches, your rings, things like that. Very nice motorhome. This is a very unique motorhome. lots of people like it. Not everyone can afford it. But if you're in the market for a brand new Thor magnitude, this is the one. It's the XG32. It's one of the smaller ones. We've got it priced for sale. Come on out, have a look at this, take it for a test drive, buy it today. RKavanaugh, ask for me. I'd be happy to show you this. We can take it for a test drive, drive around sunny Junction City. That would be a beautiful Saturday. Take care.